super big volatility in the mortgage rate market right now. In the last few days, mortgage rates have gone up a whole percent. And now we're seeing rates as high as they were when I first got in the business over 20 years ago, which is crazy. So it's like, is the sky falling and what's going on? Lots of volatility in the market, blah, blah, blah. Well, let me tell you my perspective on all this, having been through markets like this over the last 20 years. And that is, there's always opportunity in the market. And there's really, in my opinion, there's a really great light at the end of the tunnel for what's going on in the market. And that is this. In my opinion, home prices have gotten so high that it's priced out a lot of people in our Utah market that would otherwise be able to get a home. And when interest rates rise, then what it does is it has a cooling effect on the prices of homes. Now, I'm not gunning for anybody to lose equity in their house, but the equity has shot up so quickly over the last year or two that, again, it's taken a lot of our buyers just completely out of the market. And a drop in home prices back to a little bit more reasonable levels will unstick a lot of buyers and will provide opportunities for the market to normalize. So one thing to always remember, if you're looking to get into a real estate transaction anytime in the future, if rates remain high, the price of the home will stay with you for the life of the house. That's just how it is. Whatever you pay for it today will be what you paid for it 30 years from now. The mortgage, however, can be transient. So you can get a mortgage at today's rates, and next year, if rates are lower, you can refinance you have the possibility of refinancing to a lower rate and a lower payment. So if I were to pick one or the other, what's more important, the price of the home or the interest rate? I would always pick the price of the home, simply because that's what stays with you for the life of the home, is what you actually paid for it. So don't fret too much about the interest rates. What I see again is I really like the idea of home prices coming down a little bit. And the super low interest rates from 2 years ago, frankly, are what fueled the push in prices, or at least was a factor in raising prices. So higher rates are going to bring prices down somewhat, and hopefully into a range where more people, like most of us here in Utah, can afford, and our kids can afford, and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I hope that helps, and hope that the market's good to you, and hope. If you've got any questions and you're looking at doing anything like like a rental, an Airbnb, if you've got kids or brothers, sisters, family, things like that, people like that are looking to purchase, even if it's within a year, have them give me and my team a call, and we'll start building out a strategy for them, because you definitely want a strategy going forward in today's volatile market. Okay, so just hit me up and we'll get those strategies going. Talk soon.